Hello, welcome back to my new logo design tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll show the steps necessary to create a very easy way to make this monogram logo design in Adobe Illustrator. After watching this video, you'll be able to create any professional looking monogram logo design in no time. So let's start. Open Adobe Illustrator. Create a new, make our board size with 500 into 500 pixels. Hit create. None of the fill color. Make the stroke color black. Less the stroke size. Go to line and make a line. Copy it by dragging and holding the Alt key. Make another copy, by the same way. Make it also. Select all and group. Make another copy by dragging and holding the Alt key. Now select and press Ctrl D 3 times. Double-click to select this and delete. Select all and group. Align it to the center. Go to Edit, Copy and Paste in front. Select this and rotate it. Again select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Swipe the color black. Now make it very carefully. Yeah, this is perfect. Select all and ungroup all and delete the objects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please let me know in the comments below. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.